Hi, my name is Jeff Eberhard, and I lead the Oracle Cloud VMware Solutions Architecture team. Today, I'm here to do a high-level technology flyover of the solution and help you understand why and where you can use Oracle Cloud VMware Solution in your infrastructure. Now, there are many reasons customers are looking at Oracle Cloud VMware Solution, also known as OCVS. The main one that we see is they want to migrate their existing data centers to the cloud. Perhaps they're looking to close a data center or maybe even enter a new region. Well, with OCVS, you can do that very quickly, very easily, and use the same exact tooling and processes that you use today on premises, just in the Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Other customers are looking to set up a hybrid cloud infrastructure. Perhaps they're looking to take advantage of some of the native services within OCI, like high performance computing, functions, or Kubernetes. Well, being able to move portions of your VMware infrastructure up into the cloud to live right next door to those native services can, of course, increase the reliability, the speed, and frankly, the cost of running those infrastructures. Another reason that customers are looking to move into the cloud is for disaster recovery. DR and business continuity have always been an interesting thing for customers, but frankly, setting up a new data center to be able to do that has sometimes been cost ineffective or impossible in many cases. With OCI and OCVS, you can not only set up a disaster recovery infrastructure very quickly, but you can set it up in a different part of the country or even a different country if you need to for your reliability needs. Let's dive a little bit deeper into each of these use cases. So first of all, when you're looking to migrate your workloads from on-premises to the cloud to eliminate or reduce a data center footprint, the things that you're looking for in most cases are a rapid and easy movement of that infrastructure. Because OCVS uses native VMware tools like vSphere, vSAN, NSX, you can actually just take your existing infrastructure and literally live migrate it up into the cloud with no changes. Not only can you do that, but you can continue using the third-party tools that you use today because we are a completely customer-managed VMware solution. So you don't have to worry that something that works on premises won't work in the cloud, because it will. Also, because we're using the native VMware tools, there's minimal disruption or change needed for the people running your VMware environment today. They will just see OCVS as another data center in the cloud that they can access using the exact same vCenter that they use today. Now, I also mentioned that some customers are looking to do a hybrid cloud environment. Perhaps you're expanding your business into a new region or a new country. With OCVS, you can stand up a VMware data center in that new region or country, connect it to your existing infrastructure, and have a hybrid cloud where you keep your on-premises and cloud infrastructures the same. In addition, because you're running an Oracle Cloud infrastructure, you're able to connect to the OCI native services that I mentioned earlier. Well, when you have cloud native services and your VMware services living next to each other on the same high performance backplane, you don't have any of those issues that you might have today when trying to access them from on-premises to the cloud. You can keep the performance that you want, you can set high levels and standards of security, and your customers and yourself in the end will have a better experience. Finally, as I mentioned, disaster recovery in the cloud is key. Now, as Oracle Cloud VMware Solutions, of course, you can use your VMware tools. Perhaps you're using Site Recovery Manager today to help gain redundancy for your critical applications. In addition, we support and have worked with other companies like Zerto, Veeam, and Commvault to certify their solutions in the cloud. So no matter what solution that you're using today for your business continuity and disaster recovery needs, we're going to be able to work with you to help ensure that keeps going as effectively, efficiently, and at the best cost possible for you. Also, because again, it's just VMware, you are able to move forward as new technologies come out. So if the latest and greatest startup starts supporting VMware and you want to use their technology, you can absolutely do that. Now, I know this was a quick flyover, and I know you're going to want to learn a lot more about this. So I'd like you to join us for our full technology session that will be available in our video on demand, where we'll have some of the solution architects that support Oracle Cloud VMware Solutions going over Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Basics, how to migrate to the cloud, advanced hybrid cloud theory, VDI and Horizon in the cloud if you're looking to do virtual desktop infrastructure, and of course, a session on business continuity and disaster recovery. Thank you so much for the time today, and have a wonderful day.